Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. I'm so excited today because my friend Ed is here.
Yes.
And Ed, what are you making for us today?
So we are making chicken parm burgers.
Okay, tell us how you made it.
So, you know, your normal chicken parm, except we fixed it up and made it on a burger. So we've got ground chicken, breadcrumbs, we've got parsley, we've got Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. We're in Buffalo, so you know you gotta add maybe a little cayenne, a little French or something like that. You toss it all together, and you make it like you would any other chicken parm.
So you put it in the pan,
Yep.
or you oil the pan first.
Oil the pan.
Put it in the pan.
Put it in the pan. Simmer the sauce. 10 to 12 minutes.
If y'all could smell how it smelled in here while he was making it,
Oh yeah.
it was amazing. So I want to try. Can I
You
try?
can, absolutely, you can try.
All right. So Ed, why did you pick this?
Well, you know, like you, we've had to make some changes in our diet and the way we live. You know, I'm a cancer survivor.
Yep.
And one of the things that I had to do is change the way I eat. So I had to eliminate a lot of red meat and some other stuff. But how do you give up burgers? Well, you don't have to. When you can substitute chicken or turkey and things like that.
So what should people know about you? I mean, because you're pretty cool.
I am pretty cool. I mean, I am so nice you got to say it twice. But really, like you, I'm all about Buffalo and Western New York and finding ways for us to have fun and encourage folks and to just advance what we're doing here in Western New York.
What's your favorite thing about Buffalo?
Oh, it's gotta be the wings.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Flats or drumsticks?
Oh, flats. 100%.
Oh my
Flats
gosh.
all the way.
We can't go out together because I like flats too.
We'll just
But
do a
you have
double.
to-
We could just do a double order of flats.
We could. You have to try this. I'm telling you, it's so good. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and so many more. I promise you'll love it. Recipes for Seven Life would like to thank Cloves Mentor.